What up YouTube? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming out with another tutorial in Python. I haven't done a video for a while, been sick a little bit. So while I am recovering, so now I am good to go and ready to do another tutorial in Python and Python series. Okay. So today we're going to do a little project. So we're going to be doing a tip calculator, you know. So let's see how that goes. All right. But before we start, if the videos are helping you, please subscribe, like the videos, and if you want, just share it. Hopefully this is helping your journey. So, all right, we're going to start. We're going to be putting everything in practice what we have done so far. So we're going to start with print, and we're going to have the string. We're going to say welcome to the tip calculator. All right, so we got that. So next step, so if we run this, it should give us welcome to the tip calculator. Okay, so which we know that that's working fine. Now we gotta have a variable name bill, and then equals to, and we're going to be asking a question right here to the user, like what is the total bill, you know. So we're going to use an input, and we're going to ask the question, what is the total bill? The total bill. What is the total bill? Okay, we got that. So, but now the answers for the total bill, we're going to be converting in math. Which means it wouldn't be a string. So we gotta use float in here. Okay, we got float. All right, that will help us out. The next step, we're going to have another variable name called tip. So which with this one, we're going to be asking the user how much tip would you like to give, but we're going to use a int and input, and then parentheses, a string for the question, how much tip would you like to give. So when I noticed, I went to a restaurant, Peruvian restaurant the other day, and they were asking as a tip, that I have to give them. It shows in there like no tip, yes tip, but it started at 25%, comma, and also it was 20%, or it was 18%. Okay, so how much tip would you like? You what? I didn't know what I'm saying. How much tip would you like to give? Yeah, to give. What did I say? Yo. Okay. So now we gotta have another variable. We gotta have another variable people. So right here we're going to be asking the same input, and then string, we're going to be asking would you like to how many people will split, how many people would you how many people will how many people will split the bill. Okay, how many people will split the bill? Okay, we got that. So now we gotta do the math operation right here. So we're going to call tip as percent. So right here we're going to have, so the tip, right, they're going to give me, they're going to, whatever number they're going to put, 25%, 20%, 18%. What do we do with a percent? So the tip, the value for that tip is going to be whatever, right? So we're going to use the variable name divided by 100. Okay, so that will give us the percentage. Now we gotta have a total tip, amount, which is going to be the bill. So if they enter $200, whatever it is, we're going to multiply that with the percentage, which we already know, like, so which is going to be tip as percentage. Bam, right there. Now next operation is going to be the total bill. Total bill equals, now it's going to be the bill, because we already have the percentage right here. We already have the bill times the tip as a percentage. Now we gotta have the bill plus total tip amount. Total tip, we have it right here. Okay, then the next operation is going to be bill per person. Bill per person, we're going to have the total bill, which is right here, is going to be divided by people, like, how many people is going to be paying, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to have the final amount equals to, so we're going to use a round function right here, round. So in that way, when we get paid for the bills, it gives us a couple decimals right there. Bill per person, the per person, comma, 2 decimals. Okay. All right, we got that. So now we're going to print, and we're going to say the following. We're going to use a F string, pen right there, and we're going to say each person should pay $, curly brackets. We're going to say final amount, which is going to be that final amount. Okay. All right, let's run the program and see what it's going to give us. Okay, welcome to the tip calculator. What is the total bill? Let's pretend that it's like $300, right? So, oh man, I gotta change that. Okay, how much tip would you like to give? Let's do 25%. How many people will split the bill? Let's do 3 people. So it'll be 125. If you do the math in your calculator, it will give you that amount. So if you divided 125, I mean, if you multiply 100, I'm doing my calculator right now, 125 times 3 should be giving us $375. So basically, if you do the math of 25 divided by 100, um, the rest is 25. Now 300 times 0.25, it's $75, right? We have total of 375 divided by 3. It should give us exactly 125, which that's what it gave us. I did the math in my calculator too, so that way I want to know that I had the specific information right here. Cool, that worked. So let's see. Actually, I'm trying to fix this. What is total bill? Let's do $500. Man, that's a pretty expensive dinner. How much tea would you like to? Let's just do 20%. It should give us how many people will split the bill. Let's just do two. And then each one is going to pay 300 bucks. Man, that's crazy. That's a lot of money. But anyway, so that was just a very short video about this project, how to do a tip calculator. Hopefully you guys like it, and share the video and subscribe to the channel so we can grow. We're growing slowly but surely. All right, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.